Hi guys, it's Adam at Leighton Vans. So we're just out in one of our demo vehicles at the minute, which you may or may not have seen on the forums. Martin at Pendle Performance, huge shout out to Martin, has helped us massively with retrofitting the virtual dash into a T6.1. So the virtual dash does come in a caravelle and a California, however we have, thanks to Martin, managed to retrofit it, including nav capabilities, into a T6.1 Kombi, just like this one. While Martin's had it, he's also remapped the engine, and he's also used this vehicle as development for the gearbox software, which has made a massive difference to how it drives. So normally with the engine tuned, the gearbox is better than standard. However, with specific bespoke gearbox software from Pendle Performance, it is a completely different vehicle. It picks up power differently, it changes gear quicker. Martin's changed the clamping pressures, clamping speeds. Yeah, some really clever stuff. So that is going to be coming soon, along with the virtual dash. That will be available to be fitted by us in the coming months, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, we're just going to show you a little bit about the dash and talk to you a little bit about how it works. So as I mentioned before, the virtual dash that we've had fitted into this is a genuine OEM VW virtual dash that's found in the T6.1 California and the Caravelle. Now what we've done is retrofit it into a T6.1 Kombi. That does mean you also need the trims that go around the dash and around the sat-nav unit, which do actually add a more premium feel to the inside of the van. The T6.1 Kombi is normally just a sort of matte plastic along there, so having some gloss black to go around the dash has made a big difference, even without the virtual dash sat there. So it is a genuine OEM part. It all works. Martin's managed to get the nav working as well, which required some ingenious wiring from him and adding some little bits in here and there. So there's full capabilities of nav, Bluetooth phone comes up on there, along with all your driving data, so your MPG, how many miles you got left in the tank, etc. There is even a lap timer on there as well, for if anyone's taking the van around the track. There's all your fuel gauge, temp gauge, all working as it should. I've been using it for a couple of days since we brought it back, and it is really nice. It's nice to look at, it's easy to use, and it just makes the inside of the van feel a lot more premium. It's a real good upgrade, and like I say, along with the gearbox software and the remap, it is a completely different van now. It is just perfect. So a little bit about when this stuff's going to be available. So the virtual dash is going to be available in the coming months. We've just got some bits we need to order in order to do it in-house. So keep an eye out for the pricing and that, and the availability on that. The gearbox software, that's going to be available in the coming weeks. That's really close. We're really close on being able to do that, and that is, I believe, going to be $245 plus VAT if you have the engine remapped at the same time. So yeah, that makes a massive difference to the gearbox in these vans. So yeah, keep an eye out for when all that's going to be available. We'll keep you updated on Facebook or what have you. If you have got any inquiries, give me a shout at adam@leightonvans.co.uk or ring the office and ask for myself. Cheers guys.